Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Unit number 10. Acid, bases and salt. Now what is acid? The word acid is derived from Latin word acidus, which means sour. Acid have sour taste. This sour taste is due to citric acid. Now what is base? Base is any metal oxide or hydroxide that reacts with an acid to produce salt. Base is also known as alkali. A water-soluble base is called an alkali. Bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Carbonated drinks contain carbonic acid. Milk contain lactic acid. Apple and pears contain malic acid. Limes and lemon contain citric acid. Insects contain formic acid. Spinach contain oxalic acid. Grape juice contain tartaric acid. Bee sting, it is acidic in nature due to the presence of formic acid. NaOH, which is a base and also known as lye, it is a drain cleaner, means it is used for the purpose of cleaning. Magnesium hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide both are called milk of magnesia. It is used as an antiseptic to relieve stomach problems. There are three concepts of acid and bases. The first one is Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. This concept was given by 70 Arrhenius, a Swedish chemist, in 1884. According to his concept, an acid is a chemical substance that dissociates to give hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, while base is a substance that dissociates to give hydroxyl ion in aqueous solution. Examples of Arrhenius acids are HCl, HNO3, CH3, COOH, HCN. Hydrogen ion is unstable. It reacts with H2O to form hydronium ion. Now the Arrhenius bases are NaOH, KOH, NH4OH, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Another concept of acids and bases are given by Bronsted and Lowry. In 1923, a Danish chemist J. N. Bronsted and an English chemist T. M. Lowry gave its concept. According to its concept, acid is a proton donor and base is a proton acceptor. Water acts both as an acid as well as a base. ब्रॉन्स्टेड लोरी के अकॉर्डिंग एसिड वो सब्सटेंस है जो प्रोटॉन डोनेट करता है, जो हाइड्रोजन डोनेट करता है, और बेस वो सब्सटेंस है जो हाइड्रोजन एक्सेप्ट करता है. Another concept of acids and bases are given by Lewis. In 1923, G. N. Lewis proposed this concept. Lewis acid is a species that accepts or tends to accept a pair of electrons, while Lewis base is a species that donates or tends to donate a pair of electrons. उसके opposite है. Types of acids: monoprotic acid, polyprotic acids. Types of bases are monoacidic bases, polyacidic bases. Monoprotic acids are those acids which produce only one proton, like HCl, HNO3. They contain only one proton. While polyprotic acids are those which produce more than one proton, like H2SO4, two protons, more than one, H3PO4. Types of bases: we have monoacidic bases, the bases which produce one hydroxide, NaOH, KOH. And polyacidic bases, the bases which produce more than one hydroxide. Beryllium hydroxide, 2. Calcium hydroxide. Then according to strength of acid, it is divided into strong acids and weak acid. Strong acids is the one that ionizes completely in an aqueous solution. For example, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, HClO4. HClO4 is perchloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, while the weak acids are those which do not completely dissociate in an aqueous solution. Example is nitrous acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, propanoic acid. Strong bases, the bases which completely dissociate in aqueous solution. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide. Weak bases which do not completely dissociate. Ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide. Then we have mineral acids. Mineral acids include HCl, HBr, HNO3, H2SO4, H3PO4, H2CO3. Organic acids, formic acid, acetic acid, and propanoic acid. Water dissociation constant Kw is 1 multiplied 10 minus 14 mole per decimeter cube. pH and pOH. For the first time, pH and pOH was proposed by Soren Peter Lauritz Sorensen in 1909. Alphabet P means potence. Potence means the potential to be, while H is hydrogen ion and OH is hydroxide ion. pH is equal to minus log of hydrogen ion concentration, while pOH is equal to minus log of OH ion. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Bee stings are acidic in nature. A household remedy is sodium bicarbonate. बी स्टिंग्स को हटाने के लिए जो रेमेडी यूज करेंगे दैट इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट विच इज बेसिक. Wasp sting is basic, so the household remedy is vinegar. It is basic, so we will use acid. For its remedy. Soluble salts can be prepared by 4 different methods, while insoluble salts can be prepared by only one method, and that method is called precipitation method. 4 different methods of soluble salts are by the action of an acid and metal, acid plus metal, that is called direct displacement reaction. There is acid plus base, acid and base neutralization reaction, then acid plus metallic oxide, then acid plus carbonate. These are the 4 methods for the preparation of soluble salts. Acidic salts are formed by polyprotic acids only, while the basic salts are produced by polyacidic bases. The salts are of 3 types: neutral salts, acidic salts, basic salts. Neutral salts are formed when hydrogen ions of an acid are completely replaced by metal ions. When the hydrogen ions of an acid is completely replaced by metal, that is called neutral salts. Example is strong acids and strong bases. While acidic salts are those salts, hydrogen ion of an acid are partially replaced by metal ions. एसिडिक साल्ट्स की एग्जाम्पल है KHSO4, NaHCO3. These are the example of acidic salts. While the salts formed when hydroxide ions of a base, because they are basic salts, are partially neutralized. जिसमें बेस यूज हो तो वो बेसिक salts है, जिसमें H हाइड्रोजन आयन यूज हो तो वैसे एसिडिक salts है. Important formula. Potash, some important formula of some compounds. Potash alum, that is K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole 3 24H2O. Remember this for the SST biochemistry test. K2SO4 ferric alum, K2SO4 Fe2SO4 whole 3 24H2O. Mohr salt, that is FeSO4 NH4 whole 2 SO4 6H2O. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Tata, bye bye.